All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we are going to be flying this DEERC RC aircraft. This is a real nice beginner plane. This is their FX8823 RC aircraft. Very simple to fly. So we're gonna fly it. Then at the end of the video, I'll show you everything that came in the box, and there's a couple little things you have to put on, but it's real easy. So enjoy the video. All right, here we go. There it goes, hand launch. He's really slowing her down. Man, that thing can fly slow. All right, there, now you're speeding up. Where'd you go? Oh, I lost it for a sec. Whoa. Whoa. How'd you do that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Huh. Good landing. And up. Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh. That was pretty good, because I barely threw it.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa.
Go.
What's that up?
What?
Why'd you stall the engines?
I don't know. For fun. Oh. Go right.
Nice. That was ripping there. And he lands it.
Oh. Oh. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check one of these out, I have a link to this down in my description and in my first comment. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. All right, this is everything that does come in the box with the FX8823 RC aircraft. Now this is 3-channel, and it is gyro automatic stabilization, which pretty much means this is going to be super duper easy to fly. And you've probably already seen that in the video. 14 ages plus, high capacity lithium battery, ready to fly. So it has everything. You do need 3 AAA batteries for in the remote. Comes with a little screwdriver. Just take out that screw. Then you can just, now we got to glue this little wing on the top here. Comes with some glue. You just undo that. There's a little poker in the top of that cap. Poke it down in there. That will open that up. We're going to put some glue down in there. Just like that. Maybe a little bit on here, like that. And then put this little wing in there, or it won't fly right. Now you're gonna have to wait maybe a good 30-40 minutes till you can fly that. It should dry pretty quick. All right, then it also comes with wheels. You got the ones that are doubled up. They're gonna go back here in the back near the props. That should just slide in that little spot, just like that. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I've never done this, and they don't tell you this, but I've lost these wheels before, so I'm gonna take some of the glue that it comes with and put a little glue on that. Just a little bit in there, like that. See if that glues that in place. Maybe that'll keep me from losing them, because I always seem to lose my wheels. Then I'm going to put that in there. Do the same with the front one right here. I'm just going to put a little glue in there and stick that one in there. Smooth that glue out. All right, there we go. Now it does come with 2 extra props. 2 batteries. This is a little charger. When you plug those batteries in, I think a little red light comes on this, and then when that red light goes out, they're fully charged. It does not take that long. This is going to be your throttle for how fast you go. You push all the way forward with the left one, that's going to make you go faster. And this is the one on the right is going to help you steer up and down.